Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a review on Zendrop. You absolutely have to watch this video before using the platform. Essentially, I'll share with you the key pros and cons of using Zendrop, talk about their pricing plans, and explain the overall process of how their system works. And finally, I'm going to be providing my thoughts on whether you should use Zendrop or look into some alternatives. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So to get started with Zendrop, we first need to create a free account on their main website, zendrop.com. And then on their homepage, you will see some brief details highlighting that they offer fast shipping, automated dropshipping tools, and products from both the US and internationally. So we want to create an account. Simply click on the Create Your Free Account button, and this will take you to a sign up form where you can enter your name, email address, and create a password. You can also use your Google account to sign in, and then it will take all the basic information right from your Gmail account and then create a Zendrop account using it. Once your account is created, you will be taken directly to the Zendrop dashboard. You will likely receive an offer for a free trial to the premium plan that Zendrop offers. It will likely be for 30 days as a trial, and then after that you would have to pay for the plan, but we're going to be covering this later in the video. And now that we are onto the Zendrop dashboard, you would notice that it has a clean, easy to use interface that makes managing your dropshipping operations simple. And from this main dashboard, you can access all areas of your account, including the product research tool to search for items to sell, inventory management tools, order management system to track purchases, reporting to view sales analytics, and account settings to customize your storefront. Personally, I like the simplicity of the platform. The navigation and layout streamline the most important tasks like syncing your product catalog or fulfilling the orders from your customers. And after testing out the various features of Zendrop, I want to highlight some of the key advantages that I see this platform offering compared to the other dropshipping tools. Starting off with the fast shipping times. Zendrop maintains warehouses in both the US and Europe. So dropshipped items can reach your domestic customers much quicker compared to long wait times common with international suppliers. Fast shipping generally leads to higher customer satisfaction. Additionally, there's the reliable suppliers, as the suppliers that Zendrop works with have been vetted for reliability, as well as providing high quality products. And this takes a lot of the risk and uncertainty out of dealing with unknown manufacturers. There is also the easy Shopify integration, as Zendrop makes it seamless to connect their catalog and order management system into your Shopify store. Inventory and orders automatically sync, which simplifies the fulfillment process. Another advantage is the United States suppliers. Having US-based suppliers mean you can avoid the long shipping times or expensive duties and customs fees that apply for importing products from overseas. Products are dispatched quickly after an order to meet customer expectations. And lastly, there is the custom branding. With support for custom packaging and branding, you can create a unique brand identity and unboxing experience for your customers, rather than just a plain brown box with foreign postage marks. And while at this point of the video you'd figure that I'm mainly positive about Zendrop, there are still some potential drawbacks that I also noticed you should be aware of. And starting with the limited product range. Although Zendrop says that they have over 1 million products in their catalog, I actually found the variety and selection quite limited compared to mass marketplaces like AliExpress or mega dropship catalogs like Saleho. Most products that they offer are very general consumer goods without much uniqueness or wow factor, and usually these would excite motivated buyers. So if you need specific items for a niche store, you will likely need to use additional tools to find suitable merchandise. Next up, there's the above average costs. Due to the fast shipping and better supplier standards, both the base product prices and the shipping rates charged by Zendrop tend to be at the upper end. Lower production expenses and slower logistics networks make competitor platforms more budget friendly. For example, a simple $5 watch I analyzed could cost $15 for the customer after adding the $10 delivery fee. So be sure to account for the higher costs before setting the prices in your store. And lastly, there is the saturated products. While it is awesome that Zendrop includes trending products people are actively buying, the downside is that the same best-selling merchandise is offered by countless other e-commerce businesses. Standing out with common household items can prove challenging. Unless your branding and marketing is exceptional, buyers may just opt for the cheaper pricing among your many competitors, selling almost identical offerings sourced through dropshipping networks like Zendrop. So in essence, make sure to factor in the limited product selection, above average pricing, and the highly competitive nature of their top trending goods before committing solely to this platform. As for Zendrop's pricing, then you'll be presented by 3 main plans. The first one is the free one, whereas the other 2 will present you with more features should you need them. The Pro plan starts at $49 per month, and it offers everything in the free plan in addition to the unlimited orders per month, automated fulfillment, custom branding, and US products. And finally, we have the Plus plan for $79 a month. And this one offers a bunch of additional features should you need them, such as the Zendrop Academy, product bundles, subscription boxes, trending, product finder, and so much more. And in my opinion, the middle Pro plan starting at $49 seems affordable for just getting started. Overall, the pricing is still very competitive compared to the other well-known platforms. And as your sales ramp up, the enterprise corporate options ensure that Zendrop can grow in capabilities along with your business needs. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.